Hello and welcome to our channel. Diana Ross is heartbroken following the loss of close friend and former group member Miss Mary Wilson. Wilson was an original member of the pioneering pop trio The Supremes alongside Rose and Florence Ballard. The 76-year-old Rose, a friend and former bandmate, paid tribute to her fellow original member of the Supremes who died at the age of 76. She wrote in her brief tribute, "My condolences to you, Mary's family. I am reminded that each day is a gift. I have so many wonderful memories of our time together. The Supreme will live on in our hearts." Diana Ross was joined by other stars including Viola Davis and Yvette Nicole Brown of NBC's Community, who shared her mother's love of Motown, tweeting, "I was raised on the Supremes." Wilson died at her home in Nevada. Her publicist said no cause of death was given. Mary will be greatly missed and may her soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.